Whether you are booting from your flash or you are booting from a CD, a Windows 10 CD, all you have to do is turn off your system. When it's coming on, you press the F9 key. Once you press the F9 key, this page will come out. This is called the boot menu. Then you choose which you are booting from. You can see the options here. You can see boot from OS. You can see boot from Toshiba, which is my flash where my Windows 10 is. You can see boot from, if it's CD, you see it here as well, boot from CD. So now I'm booting from my Toshiba flash drive. So I'm going to select that and enter. So it shows this way. So now I'll select Windows 10 setup. It will load the files. It's loading. Loading. So once it's finished loading, it's going to bring out a page now where I'll select what I want to do to this system, if it's to reload the Windows completely with a backup or just reload the Windows and format everything. Be careful not to choose the wrong one in this page. It's very important. Anything lost is lost forever unless you are using a recovery software. So here now it shows language install United States. So we leave all that they are correct. And next it says install now. I click install now. Starting, setup is starting. So once setup is finished starting now, that important page comes up. Okay, before then it says choose which of the way. This is because I'm using a flash. If not, you might not see this option. I'm just taking Windows 10 OEM, that is original manufacturer. So I'm just going to use this. I select the OEM. You might not have these other ones on your own. So I accept the terms. Next. Now this is the crucial part. If you choose the first one, you can see it says install Windows and keep files, settings and applications. If you choose this first one, meaning your files will still be there, while custom says install Windows only. So we'll do install Windows only because this would not work. We say install Windows. If you keep this, then the virus will still be there. That is for those who wants to remove virus. Complete uninstall, use this. So install Windows only. Yes, it says you will lose the file, but don't worry, you won't. Now this is it. This is where your current window is located. The one with the bigger size, which is 465.1 gig. So you are not deleting, you are not formatting, you are just loading it on top. This gives you a Windows code. Click next. It says if the partition you've chosen contains files from a previous Windows installation, these files and folders will be moved to a folder named windows.old. So all your files will be moved to a folder named windows.old in the new Windows. So you are not going to lose anything except applications installed. Except applications installed. Every other thing, your files, your documents, everything remains intact. So that is how to boot or to reload your Windows without losing any single file. So once you click OK now, it starts installing till it's done. Thank you. The ICT Doctor is your tech partner. Bye for now.